Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Bird's Nest YouTube channel. We are traveling to Keaton Beach, which is located in the Big Bend of the Florida Panhandle. Today we are going to be snorkeling the shallow waters, looking around the seabed, the seagrass, and the rocks around the dock to see what we can find. So let's get to it. I do believe this is an imprint left from a stingray hiding in the sand. However, I'm not 100% sure. What do you guys think? Is it a stingray imprint? Let me know in the comments. Well, I really didn't see much other than some small fish swimming around the seagrass, so let's go check in with the boys to see if they've had any success. So I decided to take the boys out just a little bit further than where they were looking along the shoreline, and within just a few minutes we actually found a hermit crab. In case you didn't know, the hermit crab differs from other animals in the crustacean family because part of their body lacks a hard shell. Their abdomens are soft and unprotected, which makes them vulnerable to predators. So let's put this little guy back and keep exploring to see what else we can find. As we continued looking, it didn't take long for Owen to spot a sea snail. It is amazing how he found it in this murky water. Sea snails, also known as marine gastropod mollusks, live in both shallow and deep waters. Also, they are found in every ocean of the world. So this hermit crab shell is different from the one that we showed earlier. This one is actually called Florida fighting conch shell. The one earlier is called a shark's eye. So a hermit crab will inhabit any abandoned mollusk shell. And if you look at the Beachcombers Field Guide of the tropical Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf of America, it will show you all the different types of shells that they inhabit. Alright, let's go take a look at the seagrass one more time just to see if we can find anything. So we really didn't find much in the seagrass other than some more small fish, which is cool. But we're gonna shoot over to the other side where the rocks are next to the dock to see what we can find over there. I know for a fact we'll find something cool over there because all small marine life love structure because it keeps them safe from predators. I'm gonna have to be careful though because it is very choppy today and that water is very rough by the rocks. Not only will I get hurt by getting impaled on the rocks, I could also get cut by the oysters growing along them. Also, I have to look out for dangerous marine life hiding in the rocks because it's very murky and the visibility is very low. And my goggles keep fogging up. And I have to keep constantly getting out of the water and defogging them. And so what you see in the GoPro, I actually see in the goggles. So with that being said, let's see what we can find. So there's a blue crab just chilling on the rock. Unfortunately, I did not know it was there until I was editing the video. That's why, as you can see, I'm filming all across it except for on it because my goggles kept fogging up, even with defog spray. And the water was super choppy and super murky that I was just trying not to get hit into the rocks. But at least we got a blue crab on camera. And that is what one of the fish, or sorry, marine life that I was looking for. So mission accomplished. Well, this has been fun snorkeling at Keaton Beach. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found some value in it. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you. And we'll see you next time on Beyond the Bird's Nest.